collaboration, calendar, settings, and conclusion. Zoho Projects includes powerful collaboration tools to keep teams connected. Click on Collaboration from the left menu. The feed displays announcements, approvals, activity updates, and system notifications. Use the feed to share important updates that need visibility across the project or team. The calendar provides a visual display of meetings, milestones, and deadlines. To add an event, click Add Activity, select the project, enter the event details, set reminders, and save. All relevant users will receive notifications automatically. The chat feature allows quick, topic-based discussions with project members. Click New Conversation, add participants, and begin discussing tasks or issues. Chats should be kept concise and focused on specific topics. Finally, you can access your personal settings by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you can view account details, change themes, switch between light and dark mode, and access help resources. To conclude, Zoho Projects provides a structured, transparent, and efficient way to manage projects, tasks, and collaboration. Following this SOP ensures consistency, accountability, and improved project delivery across the organization. Thank you for completing this training. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.